Hello my friends, today we're going to show you in this tutorial how to book your trip in terms of hotel and many other aspects by comparing different rates at the same time with competitive leading websites that basically have target audiences for the hotel. So what we're saying is you have seen different types of websites like Kaya, Expedia, Trivago, and they always tell you they have the best rates. They may compare two or three other competitions, but we have a fantastic directory that we're going to show you that makes everything just a breeze. And in this tutorial, we're going to take you to a website search engine that compares about 5 or 6 up to even 18 different partners. So just like Trivago, Booking.com, and just different various companies like WeGo.com, you're going to see that when you start booking directly for hotels or any rent-a-car, cruises, you will find it much easier to go to one website and figure out what is the best rate. And we're about to show you now. Remember, this is a tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and like, and we're going to get started now. Hello everyone, we're going to start at the google.com and we're going to show you multiple hotels where you're going to compare all the rates. Basically, it's a search engine that uses multiple search engines in one, and we're going to show you. So hotel, it's just as what it sounds, hotel direct search.com. Okay, it's exactly what it sounds like. It's generally the first or fourth one. So basically you're going to compare and book all. This is where it says compare and book the best hotel deals in a single search. What's going to do, it's going to take this website 1, 2, and 3, and multiple other ones, 4, foreigners go, and combine them in one search. So it takes like 6 and compares the cheapest deal. So go to hotelsearchdirect.com from Google. It'll bring you to this web page. Okay, the coolest deals landing in your inbox. So basically it's asking you in this box to give your email. You do not have to. If you do this, you're going to get multiple emails all the time, unless you unsubscribe, and a lot of people don't know how to unsubscribe. So you don't have to fill this out if you're just buying one time these hotel search. If you do it often, like more than twice a month, then go ahead and fill this out because it's very good for you in terms of booking. So I'm going to X out of this. I'm going to show you can book flights, cars, cruises, and hotels. Hotel search direct. Okay, so you can book all this. And look what they say. Don't overpay for the same room, just book direct. That's the title of this website. So let's put in a destination. Let's just say you're going to, let's say, Las Vegas, United States. Okay, Nevada. You're going to travel from the 19th to the 26th. You're going to have 2 guests in one room. These are multiple hotel sites that you see right here that I'm scrolling over right now. Kaya, Expedia, Hotels.com, Agoda, TripAdvisor, Hotels combined. So what does Hotel Search Direct do is they combine all these listings to find you the best rate for that hotel. Sometimes you'll find that one hotel has multiple rates on multiple sites, and we're going to show you. So look at these beautiful tabs at the top, okay? They really are the key players. So still planning a trip? Yeah, I'm still planning a trip from this. We have different sites, have different prices. It tells you. Compare multiple sites all at once. So all these hotels that you're going to see have different prices. So Bellyago for 207 books you here at booking.com at 207, but on Snap Travel it's 169 for the same hotel and same room. There are 8 more that they advertise on vegas.com for 207. eDreams 207 get a room, Bellyago, Zen Hotel for 213, same price, same hotel. That's what we're telling you. This website really lets you choose. So which one would you choose? Well, I would choose the 169 snap travel deal if I wanted to stay at Beliago. All these different tabs at the top do the same thing. Okay, so here it is. This is another website, Holly Hollywood Suites by Hilton. Okay, so wow, it's gonna let me compare. Okay, so basically you'll have to click on these and you're gonna see the reviews and comparisons. Okay, so then there's right here Triviago. Now Triviago right here will compare your rate with Expedia, and it'll book it with booking.com. These are different websites. They're telling you. So our lowest price is at stayingforlong.com. So if you want to book this hotel, MGM Grand, which is a great hotel, book it for 97. Look right here. If you do the Rio All-Star Hotel and Casino, it's only 57 at Prestigia. Why would you pay 109? So it's a comparison hotel search directory. It's a directory that helps you find the cheapest hotel at your location. Let's go to Kayak, which is a different company that tries to find you the cheapest deal also. So we went back here, 159 Beliago again. So these are similar types of search engines. Now you know how to use this website. It's comparing different hotel rates. Okay? So make sure you understand what you're looking at, And Kayak does not compare, but you can use the top little tabs to compare. Then there's Find Hotel. Find Hotel brings you to its own screen because it doesn't want you to compete with others. But it'll give you 3 different options. So if you book this hotel, again, Beliago at 231, like we showed you, it's expensive. If you book it from hotels.com, it has free cancellation, which is wonderful. We'll show you what that means. That means if you somehow miss your flight or can't get to this hotel, you don't get charged this money. Otherwise, they keep your money and you don't show up. Okay? So every time you book a hotel, make sure there's a free cancellation on that disclaimer. There's also Marriott Monterey. So here we go. There is hotel rooms 148 and all these. See, this hotel site, Marriott.com, actually gave you its hotel site, and it did not compare any hotels with any other. So I'm going to X out of this. Okay, so I'm going to go to the first one. Now you know how to use this site. Remember, there are filters. I'm going to show you how to use the filters. Let's say I want to sort by, this is very important, low price, the lowest price available to Las Vegas. I also want free breakfast. I also want a kitchenette because I'm going to cook there. Okay? You just pick what you want. And then on here, free breakfast, free internet, free cancellation. Make sure you have cancellation. And if you are coming from the airport, you want airport shuttle service. A lot of hotels don't have it. So now you don't have like a $57 deal. Embassy Suite is one of the most luxurious $103 deal. Compare with others, One of the best prices I've ever seen. So now you know how to use this search engine. Remember, you need to know what cancellation means. Always click on it. And make sure you click on free breakfast. If you have pets, a lot of hotels don't allow pets. Click on pet. And when you see, it took away the Embassy Hotel because it does not allow pets. It kept me at the Radisson Inn by Marriott as the lowest price. So, you really need to know what you're doing. It has free breakfast, free Wi-Fi, free cancellation. Make sure you click on everything. I'm gonna go back to it. It was just these are pop-ups that come. So don't worry about the pop-ups. We're still on the screen. Just keep clicking. Pop-ups will come and go. And here you go. I brought you back to the same screen of the Marriott that you were looking at. And it's telling you the price line and residence for Marriott are the same. You have one sofa bed and one king. Okay? So one room, two guests. That's what it's for. Scroll down, you can see the neighborhood, read the reviews on every section, and amenities means what it has to offer. Fitness center, your room service, you can have food delivered to your room. Um, so things to keep on mind, you know. Ask them about the check-in and check-out date. Always read this. Some people have 11 o'clock. Some people have 12. If you stay after 12 p.m., noon. So this is noon time, then you get charged for an extra day at any hotel anywhere in this world. Okay, so remember, they have check-in and check-out dates. Read them. So this is very easy to use. Once again, this was our tutorial on this great website that is called hoteldirectsearch.com. We're going to go back and just hit the back button. And we started from this page. And we got it from Google. And it just compares lots of, I'm going to go back. There's a pop-up. So that a lot of people don't know. It just compares a lot of hotels. That's why you need to use this. If you go to each one of these, they're not going to show you like 6 or 7 comparisons of what this hotel is about and how many different types of prices are there. And it's a very well kept secret. A lot of people don't know about it. You can also book flights, cars, cruises, and hotels, you know? So remember that. I hope you liked this tutorial, my friends. Click the subscribe, share, and like button because this is how you keep what is known as the greatest websites and businesses alive. Our YouTube channel is just a tutorial, but if people don't know how to book, then these websites don't matter. So make sure you go through our YouTube channel. It's one of the best. Take care and have a great day.